Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to upload files or photos to Google Drive on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened the photographs, so I just want to upload these photos or files to my Google Drive and I have to create a link. What I have to do here? On your mobile phone, just open Google Drive application. So this is the Google Drive application. So just hit the button in Google Drive application. Once you hit the Google Drive application, so you have to choose your account. For example, which Google account you want to upload the file. For example, you have a plenty of accounts will be there in your Google Drive. So which account you want to upload the file? So just choose and make sure that that is your account. Yes, so this is the account. These are the folders which is created from myself to upload the files or things. So I just want to create a folder and upload the file. So how to create a folder and upload the files over here? So here there will be a lot of option will be there, so you can create a folder and upload the file over here. So simply I just want to upload the file. What I have to do here? So here there will be a plus button in your downside, so just hit the plus button. It will ask you for create a folder or upload the file. I just want to create a folder, means just click create a folder. So some of the folder which is my Google photos and documents I can mention over here, and I just create a folder. So this is the photos and documents folder is created, and I just want to upload the photos from my photos to Google Drive. What I have to do here? Just double click on that. So photos and documents folder will be open here. This folder is empty. Now I just want to upload the files. What I have to do here? Just press the plus button over here. So once you click a plus button, it will ask you for the upload the files. Just click upload the file. It will ask you for the type of uploading where. For example, in image I just have a screenshot over here. I just choose here image, and I can have a WhatsApp image, camera, screenshot, WhatsApp document, everything I can have. For example, I just want to upload the WhatsApp image. What I showed, I just click here, means automatically my file will be uploading here as you see here. So this is the image is uploaded from my Google Docs, and it will be stored in photos and documentation from my Google Drive. So this is the files which I have uploaded in my Google Drive. So if I want to get the link from this, here there will be a three dots option. Just hit the button three dots. You will find a share, manage access, and add started, make availability, and copy link will be there. So you can copy link and you can paste anywhere else. So this is the link, so you can paste in your Google or any other places. It automatically works for your things. I just want to paste this link, means it will work. So for example, so once I paste that link, whatever links I have copied and paste, means automatically my image will be display any other places what I have did. So it will ask for the request my access. So if I request the access, means automatically I can able to view my entire file. So this is a beautiful option. So this is the photograph. How to upload the document? Just hit the same plus button and just click upload option in your mobile phone. Once you click upload option, there will be a image. Just hit the button image and you will find a WhatsApp document over here. So what are the documents you have, you can select and upload the files. For example, I just have a important document or large files I just want to upload, means I just click here for the large files to upload the entire thing. So similarly, you can upload whatever files you have in your mobile phone. You can able to select, and you can able to select the file automatically. It will upload and it will create a link, and you can able to access anytime anywhere else. So this is a beautiful option. So you can download the file, you can move the file from one folder to another folder, as well as from your mobile phone you can print your entire documents. So this is a beautiful option, and we hope this option will help you to create your folder and save your files in one place to make your arrangement into your entire things. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.